this vertical two-handle machine. We are going to teach you how to operate today and install. This is the back of the machine. This is what the handle looks like before the machine is assembled. The standard accessories are what we have shown now. 2 brackets and 2 handles, a power card. The bracket assembly is these 2 holes. We align through these 2 metal pillars. Insert. In this case, it's best. We lift it up a little bit by hand. Plug it in. The packaging on the other side is the same. When we are installing, the tape is facing forward. We then install the handle at the back of the instrument. There are 2 sockets in total, differentiated. When we are installing, a loop like this is plugged into this interface. If it is another, the can with the inner cover is installed here. We will demonstrate how to operate the package later, and then we assemble the parts. We have a good idea of where the stomata are. Then insert this core position into the position of the core position. Subject to this line, after plugging it parallel to this side, it's completely plugged in. On the other end, it has this kind of socket. We put it here. We use the same method here. After alignment, plug in. Customer 2 handles. Be sure to distinguish. The socket is different. Do not hard plug. Hard insertion will damage its core. The position of the plug handle hole is aligned with this line. After it is parallel here, it is inserted tightly. After power on, enter the operation interface. There are language options. After we select the language, click here to enter. The moment of entry, 2 handles, it will have an automatic detection. It will work. This is the remaining number of runs used on the handle. It leaves the factory by default. The number of runs within 1 runs. The number of runs of the 2 handles is the same. A handful that specializes in manipulating the body. A handful that specializes in manipulating the face. Here's the actual temperature. Next, enter one of the interfaces. Click on the part to enter. The handle is in a heated state. It's heating up. We don't have to do anything. You just have to wait for it to heat up to 400 degrees. It will automatically jump into the operation interface. This is the operation of 2 handles. The step seed enters. And the operation is the same. It all needs to be warmed to 400 degrees. Then you can enter the operation interface. We wait for it to heat up. After that, we enter the operation interface to operate. Let's briefly talk about the operation on the interface. Here is a time, then single shot mode and dual shot mode. And here we have milliseconds. Mainly refers to the time the probe stays on the skin. Here's the micron, mainly the depth of treatment. And down below that is the actual temperature, the remaining number of runs of the handle. Here is the return button. Here is the display. So what we're entering here is the face interface. So we're going to demonstrate this, the difference between single shot and double shot modes. We selected it here to operate on. If it is a phase, the recommended treatment state time and treatment depth here. They all start from a relatively shallow setting. Then single shot mode. Let's see here. Press a button. Let's work here. It's single shot mode. Burst mode is one click and it will work twice. That is to say, on the same part, when operating, it only stops if it hits twice. This is the pattern of consecutive twin shots. If we need to manipulate the body, about to return to the main interface, click on the body to enter. Handles that operate the body is also about 400 degrees to enter the interface. This handle, the cover can be opened if the customer needs to be cleaned later. Open this cover here. It is through magnetic attraction. We take the covers off, pinch the sides and put some force in it. Then put your finger on it and buckle it here. After this is opened, let's hold it again and shake it gently to take it out. In our case, it's pillar. If you stay in this hole, we can actually take it out. The body interface operates in the same way as the face, just the parameters here. It will be more and deeper than the face. Again, here's the milliseconds. Time setting for staying in the skin. And then we have the micron underneath. It's the depth of the treatment. Everything else is the same. We won't explain. It is recommended to set the parameters of the body here. The stay time is around 14, and then let's demonstrate it here. It sticks to the skin when we operate it. The skin does not need to apply some products. Just press the launch button. After the fact, let's take a look. It's got a little white dot on it. Because it is caused by high temperature to the skin. After the later customers finish playing, you can apply ice or some other skincare products. Relieve the pain caused by this heat to the skin. After we operate, probably every once in a while, there will be a little bit of that red dot. This is normal. Within a week it will cross over. It will be accompanied by some itchy skin. We are in the process of. Try not to pick it with your hands. Just wait for it to fall off naturally. We operate normally. This cover is to be installed on it. If the customer needs to clean the inside of the handle later, we can take the covers off. Just pinch the sides hard, then pick it here with your fingernails. You can open it. These two are magnets. It can be attracted by magnets. These two columns are positioning columns, mainly used for positioning. The positioning column should be aligned with these two holes before it can be inserted. It will be more difficult to insert. The customer needs to align with one of the pillars first, then insert another pillar. There are also customers who need to pay attention to. This probe heats up. It's very hot. Don't touch it with your hands. If the later customer finds this pillar difficult to install, it is difficult to install it on this cover. He can pull this pillar off with pliers. Directly rely on magnetic attraction to suck the cover. This is also possible. We now teach customers how to put it back. We pinch this size when installing. Align with one of the pillars first. After lining one hole, put another pillar into another hole. Now you can put it back on.